create account of IMO. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create the account of IMO. So the creating an account of IMO is a straightforward process. So here's how you can do that. So step to create an IMO account. First step is that you have to go to your Play Store for Android device or Apple Store for iOS. Just go and select your platform. Once you are here, just navigate to your search bar and search for the IMO here. And after searching for the IMO, you have to download this app on the device, which is known as International Calls and Chat here. Once installed, you have to open up your IMO app here. Just go and open up your IMO app. So once you have opened up your IMO app, you have to just go and read and accept the terms and conditions here. Just go and click on the right click option and you have to type your number and select your country code here. Just go and select your country code. So once you have selected your country code, you have to tap on the next or right click option and go for the OK option here. So once you are done, the one-time password will be sent to your number and you have to enter that OTP to verify your number here. After verification, you can set up your profile by entering your name and adding your profile. You have to follow the on-screen instruction here. After all of that process, you can see that you have been successfully logged into your account. Just go for that here and you have to verify your account here. So here you can see that you have been successfully logged into your IMO account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.